Welcome back to the channel, guys. I want to thank you for stopping in and watching. Check out our website, rngperformance.net. For all of your ATV and UTV off-road needs, we have it all on our website. I want to thank you guys for clicking that like button. Hit that subscribe button before we go any further and click that bell. Leave us a comment down below. Thank you guys so much. We are ready for opening day. September 30th, right? September 30th. It's coming. Lunch at noon. We'll be here at 9. It starts at noon, but you can come earlier if you want. We'll be here at 9 a.m. We're going to be open until 8 a.m. Or 8 p.m. I'm sorry, I'm talking too much.
We're not going to be here all night.
We're not going to be here all night. No, we're going to be here to 8 p.m. So you guys can come, and the address is on our website, how you can get here. Wanted to show you guys what we got so far, and we have the store up top. It's all done. You guys have pretty much seen videos of that. We actually got our lift here, got our sign fixed, yee, got it all fixed up. Everything's ready. Just give you guys a quick little tour of everything. Heck yes. Got some Rhino LED lights right there. We also have some fat lights. These things are 2 inches around, fat. They're nice and bright. They look good. We got light bars in stock. And we're gonna come up the stairs here to the store. So now we got, all of our stuff. Got the welcome R.N.G performance mat. Have the steering wheels. These are available on our website. Got the whip flags, clothing. We have winch ropes in stock and on the website. We got 700 CLX parts, accessories on the website. We got more whips on the website, different sizes, different styles. We got CFMOTO sound bars, helmets. Those are not on the website, but if you see a helmet here that you're interested in, I'll put the pricing. Just message me and we can work you out a deal. Got one pair of gloves, some random stuff. Recovery straps, rock lights, the switch panels. Those things sell so much. Those are my favorite. I got one in every rig. We got a bunch of those. Rockville amps, some pile stuff. Got, mufflers, all kinds of stuff. We have a ton of stuff. And then we still have stuff downstairs that's on our website, but not, in the store. Like parts and stuff. Heck yes. Oh yes. Those of you who's interested in this 8-gang switch panel, this thing is nice. It does have a cover. It's up there. I just leave it off so everybody can see how it works and what it does. You just plug your accessories into here. You run one wire into your cab and you have all these switches. Like the stereo. Turns on a stereo down there. We got another stereo. And we do have light bar. Oh yeah. We also have my LED whips, which are on sound activation right now. So hello. These things are really sweet. We do have these on our website. They are available, and we've had a lot of interest in those. But these switch panels make it nice. They also come with the breaker. They make it nice because hooking up accessories, you always have to run it to switches, run it to fuses, run things to relays, and you got a lot of wiring and all that. This is all in one. This is all in one switch panel fuse box. It's got built-in relays, which actually use MOSFETs. And that makes it so you can just plug your power and ground right into the box, and then you can use the corresponding button. It's got a ton of different little stickers you can put on the buttons. I just picked some out just for display, but they have tons and tons and tons, like a whole huge sheet. Well, there we go. It's on the floor where it doesn't belong. But yeah, this just makes it So much nicer to install and all that stuff. Let's say you got a blown fuse. It'll light up and tell you which one it is, which I have yet to have a fuse blow on these things. But yeah, very nice, sleek and everything. So guys, we would love to have you on the 30th. Come check out the building. We're gonna be doing videos out of here coming up pretty soon. We've been slacking on the videos because we've been trying to get ready for the 30th, so forgive us on that, but we're gonna have some cool content come out of here. We're gonna have to do some cool builds. I can't wait. So guys, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and let's grow this channel and grow the videos that we're gonna do. We have so much stuff planned. Just hope to have time to do it all. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. These suckers is bright. If you guys have been seeing my videos on them, we got a set built that's gonna go on the website. And if you want that, that'll be over at www.rngperformance.net. So they actually have a microphone built in to the controller that we had built here, which is a real nice controller. It's got a top that goes on it. We just wanted to show you guys that it's weatherproof, and it goes, that's how it goes by the music. That's why it's going by my voice right now. So it also has a matrix mode, which is that mode right there, which is a pretty sick mode there. They do also come with mounts that go on here for your roll cage, and you'll want to mount them to a spring. They're polycarbonate tubing, and yeah, they're just sweet. You won't find a set out there like them.